Is your Hisense Portable Air Conditioner blowing cold air when it should be heating? Here are the essential troubleshooting steps to get your unit working properly. Step 1. Verify your unit is actually in heat mode. Many heating issues are simply due to the wrong mode being selected. Step 2. Set the target temperature higher than your current room temperature. The unit won't heat if the target is lower than the ambient temperature. Step 3. Try resetting the unit. Turn it off, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in. This simple reset can resolve many common heating issues. Step 4. Check your exhaust hose configuration. In heating mode, the exhaust hose should be disconnected, which is different from cooling mode, where it must be connected. Step 5. Check for error codes. If you see an E5 error code on the display, this indicates the water reservoir is full and needs to be emptied immediately. Step 6. Clean the air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and reduces heating efficiency. Remove the filter, wash it with soapy water, and ensure it's completely dry before reinstalling. These 6 initial troubleshooting steps resolve most Hisense portable air conditioner heating issues. If your unit still isn't heating after trying these steps, you may need advanced troubleshooting or professional service. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve heating issues, deeper maintenance is required. The evaporator and condenser coils are critical components that can become clogged with dirt and debris, significantly reducing heating efficiency. Use a soft brush or vacuum with a brush attachment to gently clean the coils. Work carefully to avoid damaging the delicate fins. Clean coils allow proper airflow and heat transfer, which is essential for effective heating operation. If coil cleaning doesn't solve the problem, electrical issues may be the cause. The compressor is the heart of the heating system, and electrical problems can prevent it from operating properly. Check your electrical panel for blown fuses or tripped circuit breakers. These are common causes of compressor failure. The electrical components shown here include contactors and capacitors that can fail over time. Important safety warning: electrical work can be dangerous. If you suspect electrical problems or are uncomfortable working with electrical components, contact a qualified electrician immediately. For complex problems like compressor failure or refrigerant leaks, professional help is essential. HVAC technicians have specialized tools and training to diagnose and repair these advanced issues safely. Know when to call professionals. HVAC technicians should handle compressor problems, refrigerant issues, and complex electrical repairs. Attempting these repairs yourself can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing heating problems. This includes cleaning filters monthly, checking coils quarterly, and ensuring proper ventilation around your unit at all times. Proper unit placement is essential for optimal performance. Ensure adequate space around the unit for ventilation. The unit should have at least 2 feet of clearance on all sides for proper airflow. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, consult your user manual for specific error code meanings. Contact Hisense customer support for additional assistance with persistent heating issues.